if you want to transform from this to this, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my eyes, and I'm using this Huda Beauty palette and using this light green shade and applying it as a transition shade, and I'm blending the brush back and forth in a circular motion, and I use a really light-handed motion. Then to balance out the shade, I'm using this light brown shade, and with a small blending brush, I'm blending it all out. For eyeliner, I'm using this Benefit eyeliner, and this eyeliner is waterproof and it lasts all day. And for this look, I'm going for a winged liner. For moisturizer, I'm using this Cetaphil moisturizer. It has a long-lasting hydration and it provides moisture all day. And for foundation, I'm going on with Huda Beauty and L'Oreal Infallible and mixing these two foundations to get that perfect shade. I'm blending out with a round fluffy brush. This provides a full coverage glam, and these foundations are really good for that long lasting look. For concealer, I'm going on with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and applying it under my eyes and highlighting the center of my face, and then blending out with this fluffy blending brush. And make sure you take your time to blend the concealer. To set my base, I'm using Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder and applying it mostly on the center of my face where it tends to get oily, and I leave it on for a while and then brush it out later. And then I'm using this Ofra Miami palette, and with this light brown shade I'm adding some warmth to my face. I'm adding the bronzer to my cheekbones, jawline, and a little bit on my forehead, and also bronzing my nose as well. And for blush, I'm using this orangey shade and applying it on the higher points of my cheeks. And blush just gives you that natural flush. Then I'm using this Maybelline Sky High Mascara and coating my upper as well as lower lashes. Then for lipstick, I'm going on with Beer Garden and Golden Rose and mixing these shade to get that perfect nude brown shade, and I'm applying with a flat brush to get that precise look. This is how the look turned out to be, and you guys can try it out. And if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.